Now, it's below flood stage at this time, but Richard, we were just talking about more rain still continuing possibly today. So it's expected to get back up into that minor, almost moderate category.
A little closer, high resolution model through Friday, on and off light showers, 50% rain chance for the daytime. But it's overnight Friday into Saturday when our cold front arrives, bringing some heavy rain and gusty winds. In the next 15 to 20 minutes, moving toward Burnett County by closer to 9 o'clock, Leander by 9:45.
I'm here in Kingsland on FM 2900. This bridge was entirely taken out by the October 2018 flooding on the Llano River. Try to imagine how this bridge fell and then was swept downstream, taking with it not only the bridge, but property. We're talking boats, jet skis, and people's homes.
Yeah, you're going to see a lot of computer model outputs on social media saying this will make landfall.
Yeah.
Hasn't even formed yet, but there's a few different complicating factors that will make this a tricky forecast for Imelda. Umberto, a little bit better of an idea. That's going to ride around that ridge, that high pressure that's sitting out in the Atlantic. But this upper level low, that's going to be the sneaky forecast. The position of it could steer in some sort of tropical trouble into that southeast eastern coast. And this list fascinates me because every single named storm we've had this hurricane season, the maximum strength has been just a tropical storm, except Aaron. That was a Category 5 storm. Feast or famine,
Drastic change.
Either the lowest possible strength tropical storm, or it's a full-on Category 5 major hurricane. I'll cheer y'all up, though. You know why I'm in a great mood?
Tell me.
Last night, Boston Red Sox took home Game 1 of the wild card against the New York Yankees. It was an amazing game seeing the Yankees
Once
lose.
he puts the Boston hat, you're like, oh.
9-1 since 2004.
Is a Boston guy.
Huge Boston guy.
There
It was
you
great
go.
to see it. Was super
Okay.
happy.
He said he was
worth-
like, I stayed up late to watch, but it was worth it.
Game 2 tonight. Hopefully finish the series and smooth sailing from
All right,
there.
good luck, Tommy.
Go Sox. We'll be right back.
I'll do like a hay maze, you know, with the kids, like the pumpkin pop-up things. Like,
That's a good one.
I need to be able to see over, okay? And
Yeah.
it needs to be manageable. But
Yeah.
between Children of the Corn and The Shining, you
Yeah.
will not catch me in a maze.
I will say this. This is better than people who watch Jaws sitting in a tube on a
On the
pool,
lake?
a
Is
lake.
it?
We've had it
or
on
an
Lake
ocean.
Travis. It's a
I sort of
vibe,
like that
guess.
too. I'm
never
like,
asked
man,
about gravity?
I'd rather be there than actually in the maze. I'm with you. I don't know. There's something about not
Both-
being able to
both?
find.
I'll
Oh,
watch
really?
from afar.
Yes.
I think I'd rather be on the water. Or no, I'd rather be in the maze.
Well, at least you
than
know
on the
in
water.
freshwater there aren't sharks.
Sure.
There's
So,
worse
in that
things in
case-
Lake Austin than sharks. I'll just say that.
Okay.
I'm not going to argue. You have a point.
Let's switch to weather real quick here. I want to start with the big picture. High pressure to our west allows plenty of moisture through central and southern Texas today, which will squeeze out numerous rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Even at this hour, west of I-35 in the Hill Country, some on and off sprinkles for western Travis County, Burnett, a little more heavy rain out toward Mason and Llano. So first, let's zoom on in. This is out toward Bee Cave, 290, Marble Falls, Granite Shoals, Spicewood, and then west of the KXAN viewing area. Look at all the numerous lightning strikes just south of I-10 there. So currently right now it's upper 70s, 77 in Austin, 75 in Georgetown, low to mid 70s widespread. We're going to warm on up to the low to mid 90s. I have 95 in Austin today with more clouds than the sun to start, followed by a clearing trend. But the afternoon and evening hit and miss showers and storms with a light northerly breeze. So here's how it looks on clouds and radar throughout the day. Some on and off rain persists, especially for the Hill Country. But by the afternoon, first notice all of the clear skies around the storms. That will charge the atmosphere, followed by some strong thunderstorms that can bring localized flooding. How about the drive home from work? Here's the I-35 corridor. Some of the yellow, orange, and red represents some thunderstorm activity. As soon as the sun goes down, we dry out, clear out, kicking off your Friday, still with a relatively low end rain chance. I have it around 20 to 30%. Through tomorrow evening, some of us may stay completely dry. Others could pick up on well over an inch of rain. So it's very hit and miss. Those who get lucky will get some beneficial liquid gold, as they say. High temperatures today, I have 90s for all of us, 94 in Georgetown and Bastrop, Lockhart, west of Austin, maybe a few upper 80s. Our normal high is 98, so technically a cooler than normal day, but still plenty of humidity. At the upper levels, that high pressure out in the Four Corners will eventually move south and east. That will dry us out and warm us up for the weekend. I have 2 triple-digit days in my 7-day forecast for Sunday and Monday, and with that comes our rain chance drying out while it gets hot. So today, the highest rain chance, and then by Saturday, 10%, Monday and Tuesday, 10% as well. Your weekend forecast in depth, 98 on Saturday, 100 on Sunday. A lot more sunshine this weekend compared to today and tomorrow. So let's stretch out your 7-day forecast here. This is typical seasonable Central Texas weather in August. 90s, low 100s, lows in the 70s, and the possibility for some more rain today as well as tomorrow. Erica?